To draw a graph with a calculator, locate the table function on your calculator, press mod and then press 7. Enter the function f of x is equal to, then press alpha and then x. Press equal and then enter. Start, end, and step. You have to add these three values. Press equal and use arrow keys to see x and y values. Plot points and join with a smooth curve. When you press mod, table is at number 7, then press 7. Worked example. The graph of y equals 10 minus 8x square for negative 1.5 to 1.5 is drawn on the grid. This graph is drawn and the table shows some values for y equals x cube plus 3x plus 4. Some values are given. First of all, complete the table. Now use your calculator to complete the table. Put values. First point is negative 1.5, last is 1.5, and the difference between them is 0.5. So the values are now shown in f of x column. So the first one is negative 3.9 and the second will be here. Next will be 2.375. Scroll up and down to note the required values and write these values in the table. So 0, 2.4 and 4. On the grid, draw the graph of y equals x cube plus 3x plus 4 for negative 1.5 to 1.5. Plot the points on the graph and join them with a smooth curve. Its graph will be this. By using the points from the table, one is here, 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 this one, this, and this. Now you have to join these points by using a smooth curve. Show that the values of x where the two curves intersect are the solutions to the equation x cube plus 8x square plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. The point where the two curves intersect are where y equals this and y is equal to this. So, x cube plus 3x plus 4 equals 10 minus 8x square. Simplify it. It will be x cube plus 8x square plus 3x plus 4 minus 10 equals 0. Then x cube plus 8x square plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. Hence the result. By drawing a suitable straight line, solve the equation x cube plus 5x plus 2 equals 0 for negative 1.5 to 1.5. Manipulate x cube plus 5x plus 2 equals 0 to have x cube plus 3x plus 4 on right hand side, as we have a graph for x cube plus 3x plus 4. So we write it as x cube plus 3x plus 2x plus 4 minus 2 equals 0. Now x cube, actually we just write this 5x as 3x plus 2x and this 2 as 4 minus 2 to get x cube plus 3x plus 4 on one side. Now it will be x cube plus 3x plus 4 equals negative 2x plus 2. So y equals negative 2x plus 2. Now this is an equation of a straight line. Plot y equals negative 2x plus 2 on the grid. Here the gradient is negative 2 and y-intercept is 0, 2. Now read the x value from the graph where y equals negative 2x plus 2 and y equals x cube plus 3x plus 4 intersect. So x is equal to negative 0.39. This is the equation of a straight line y equals negative 2x plus 2. its gradient is -2 and its y-intercept is 2. Examination tips. When using the table function of your calculator, double check that your calculator's y values are the same as any that are given in the question.